Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hope you're all doing well on this New Year's Day.
Good morning. This is your reminder.
There we go. Just pulling up all the systems. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good day to you all. How are you? Happy New Year. I see you all. There you are. Happy New Year, everybody. Good to see all your faces. Hello, hello. Thank you for those likes. Thank you for that follow. Appreciate you. Happy New Year. Hello, hello. Just thought we'd announce some nice, fun giveaways to have a little fun on New Year's Day. What are you guys thinking, huh? A little fun. Yes. Happy New Year. Does anybody notice what I have up on my screen today? Anybody? Anybody? Bueller. Anybody? Crypto. We got crypto in the house. Everybody see it? Is this Twitch up? Where's everybody on Twitch? Hey. There we go. I see everybody over on the YouTubes. There we go. What's happening? John says, what's the best trading broker for crypto? That's a great question. There's a bunch of them out there. Crypto.com, Binance, Gemini. Just check your region and which coins you want to trade. Of course, Webull has some. It really depends on which coins you're looking for. If you're just looking at the major coins, you can go with Webull, Ethereum, right? Shiba Inu, all of it. The basic ones, Ethereum, all of them are over here on Webull. Want to look at muzzle token? What happened to the crypto market today? Yeah, it's a little flat. Had a little bump though. We're up 0.5%, 0.49% right now. As my collar popped, I didn't even unhappily housewife. Look at the coach with the collar popped. Hey, it wasn't intentional. Today's a lazy day, right? I got tons of notes in front of me here on things that we want to do. Today, though, we are announcing crypto is going live, right? Now. Crypto is live over at AmericanDreamTrading.com today. Crypto is live. I will be your crypto host until we find another. I will be your crypto DJ. Good to see you all. I've been trading crypto for a very long time, over a decade. I've been involved in crypto, not heavily, but I used to trade it every weekend in between stock market trading. Obviously, here at American Dream Trading, we are training you in stocks, options, futures, and crypto. All of our training and education is for educational purposes, as always, just like everything else. The good thing, though, with the training that we have and the way that we trade, it is identical, meaning you can take this into futures and crypto. That's why this was easily the next evolution of what we were doing. So just like if you guys are VIP members, future members, and now crypto, we are going to give you access to our trading view indicators. That's right. Even our crypto kings, and queens are going to now have access to our TradingView indicators. So we're extremely excited about that. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Does anybody want to see what our TradingView indicators looks like for crypto? Anybody interested in that? Talk to me. Let me know. Give me 1 second here and I'll put that up for you. Just 1 second so you guys can see it. Hello, hello. Let me know. There it goes. There we go. So check this out. Again, you guys already know if you're a VIP member or a futures member, you guys already have access to this. Now you guys will have access to this as a crypto member. So here you go. Check this out. Tell me that isn't beautiful. Look at that. Let me flip this to a 2-minute. All of the same rules apply to crypto as they do for our stocks, options, and futures. So if you guys were over here trading Bitcoin, you guys can see right here. Let me pull up a little bit of our drawing here. Hold on. You can see right here, right there was our bearish signal. See it right there? So that is signaling to let you know. Right here, you guys can see there's our bullish signal, meaning it's going long. Does everybody see this? This is identical, right, to what you guys will see when you are inside of our stocks, options, and futures. You can also see, if you look at this, look at the way that this is bouncing on the upper and lower band here. And this is exactly like we train you guys, right? Think about it. This is exactly like we train you guys here. Sorry, give me a minute. Usually I don't use TradingView to do this. Hold on. So right here, see it bounce, right? Bounce, bounce. This one broke through and then finally bounced, but you get the idea, right? So you can see that this is channeling just like it does with our stocks, options, and futures, right? It's doing the same thing. So with all of our training, you guys will be able to use this in here for everything else. Kelly says her sound isn't working. Can everybody hear me okay? Do me a favor. Let me know if you guys can all hear me okay. Double tap those screens, by the way. Let's get that TikTok blowing up. Thank you. Yeah, let's get that TikTok just ripping. Who knows, in 20 days, you guys might not even have TikTok anymore, right? I hope that's not the case, but we will see. All right, but anyways, so you guys make sure you double tap on those screens. Thank you for those gifts. I appreciate that. Okay. Now today we're going to do something really exciting. You can hear me? Okay, awesome. Thank you. So whether you guys right now, we should be live on TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. If you guys have any questions though, right now I am monitoring YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok at the same time so I can see all you guys. So all members have access to indicators now? Nope. No, they do not. But crypto, futures, and VIP members do. Just because to go with our service, it kind of makes sense. So today I'm going to give you guys a choice because right now I'm really on the fence on how I want to do this. I'm really on the fence on how. If you're a lifer premium, no, you just have a regular premium membership. And congratulations to you if you got a lifetime premium membership. You have what nobody's been able to buy for over a year now. So congratulations to you on the most ridiculous sale known to man So just thank your lucky stars every single day. You should wake up and pop in the room and be like, thank you for such an amazing deal. That's what you should have. Thank you. Every day. That should be all that I hear from your face. So I'm going to give you guys the opportunity of a lifetime. Are you ready? You guys want to see something real crazy? So right now, just because we want to kick off the crypto service and get it off on a good foot, I'm going to let you guys decide what we're going to do today for the pricing. I'm going to do one of two things, and you guys are going to vote. You guys want to vote today? This is going to be ridiculous. This is going to be a one and done, the most ridiculous sale we've ever had here before, like old school sale. $1 for the whole year. You stop it. Don't be crazy. Unhappily housewife. Oh man, the creepy low voice. So I got two choices, and this is what I'm thinking. You guys are going to help me decide. I'm either going to give this to you for the first 100 people, just so we get 100 people in the door today. I'm either going to give this to you for $500 for the year. Right now, everybody should be cheering, clapping, just going absolutely bananas. I don't have this set in stone. This is just, I'm thinking out loud here. Or for the first 100 people, I'm going to give you a lifetime for $1,500. You heard that right. I've never done anything like this before. This is just because I want to draw a ton of attention to Jim's clapping. I want to draw a ton of attention today to us being in crypto, and I'm going to put 100 bodies in crypto today by this deal. So moderators, get ready. I have not turned anything on as far as pricing goes. So don't go to the website. Otherwise, you guys are going to see that it's $5,000 for a lifetime and $2,500 for a year. Don't click any of that. I'm trying to figure out what we're going to do. I want to make this the most ridiculous, ludicrous sale. I want 100 people in there today. That is my vision. I want 100 bodies in the seat today. That way, the rest of the day and tonight, you guys can be in crypto. You guys can be working with all your amazing trading view indicators and all the other things. Let's put it this way. Trading view indicators, not a standalone product. You can't buy it. You cannot buy our trading view indicators unless you're a VIP member, $500 a month, by the way. A futures member, $250 a month. Or what I'm about to do with you guys, $500 for the year or $1,500 lifetime. Again, you cannot ever get these anywhere. All right. So it's just going to be for the first 100 people, and there we will not, I repeat, we will not open it up for anybody else at this price. You guys are going to take a vote right now. And be serious. Don't be like, oh, I just want to get one for $10. Stop it. If you are serious, which one would you want? $500 for an annual membership, $1,500 for a lifetime. And I want you guys to remember, after the 100, this is $5,000 for a lifetime, $2,500 for the year, or $250 a month. You guys let me know right now. You guys are going to decide. Yes, after the first year, it will go back to its normal price. Absolutely. Absolutely. You're just going to get a $2,500 or a $2,000. It's a $2,000 discount if you buy the year. So moderators, help me take a count. Everybody right now vote. Vote your conscience. $500 for an annual membership or $1,500 for a lifetime. And remember, a normal annual is $2,500. A normal lifetime is 5,000. I want 100 seats filled today. Financing available for the lifetime? Yes, it is. If you use your iPhone, there's an Apple. If you do it only through an iPhone, this is weird. It has nothing to do with us. But if you do it through your iPhone and you go in and you actually select it, there is a buy now, pay later situation. So yes, you can do that. All right, let's see it. Show of hands. It's just for crypto. This is just a crypto membership. But same thing. So the way that this is going to work, just so you guys know, just like with our futures, I will have warm bodies in Zoom, right? And we're going to probably start it just like we are with futures, about 4 hours a day, because right now it's noon to 4. We want to do the same thing with crypto. Eventually, we want somebody doing live. Obviously, right now we don't have that. Until I find somebody to sit in the seat, I'm going to do a bunch of these lives. But I want somebody in the seat doing what I do. We're going to be talking about crypto, but you guys will have a Zoom. It's going to start about 4 hours a day. If this gets large enough, like I anticipate, same thing. I want full day crypto, full day futures, full day stocks and options. Right now, we have 12 hours of stocks and options, 4 hours of futures, and I want to kick off 4 hours of crypto. This is where we're at. Okay, so this is kind of the timeline of what we're doing. We're building up crypto, which is another reason I'm giving you guys a super ridiculous sale, right? So you guys can come in ground floor. All right, so once again, pop them up. Moderators, do we have a count? What do we get for the lifetime package? You are going to get access to our crypto lounge. You're going to get access to our crypto advanced videos. We're putting up tons of free training videos right now, but we will have crypto advanced videos obviously out there. You guys will get access to the crypto Zoom and any other little perks and stuff that I can come up with right away, to help you guys out. It's just like futures. Futures, we do the exact same thing with our future side. So we'll show you guys what's going on. We'll show you guys how to trade this. You guys can ask us questions. By the way, it's a fully open microphone that you guys have never had anywhere. You guys will be able to ask the moderators any questions the whole time, right? The idea behind it is we get a ton of people in there. There's going to be a lot of chatter and new coins that are coming up, right? And what you guys can be staking and where, you guys can go to do it and what's exciting, what's coming down the line and right, DeFi and all the things that you guys want to talk about. So I want all you crypto kings and queens to come into our space, right, and fill it up. You guys can see how fast our futures is growing, right? You can see people in the futures room really taking advantage of that information. So I want to do the exact same thing with crypto. So right now, let's take a count. Moderators, can I have one of you moderators in YouTube give me a count on what you see? How many for lifetime? How many for annual? Somebody over on TikTok, moderator, do the same. If we have a moderator over there, I see we have a couple. Do the same. Somebody give me a count for lifetime versus annual. You guys pick right now. It's going to be the first 100 people, and I'm going to open the door. It's either going to be a 500 annual, which is $2,000 off, or a $1,500 lifetime, which is $3,500 off. First 100, never see this again. Yeah, no worries, D-Rock. Yeah, and you guys can with your iPhones. It only works with iPhone. Only the Apple allows you guys to do the payment buy now, pay later thing. So, all right, moderators, do we got a count? As soon as we get a count, we're going to start working on the back end to be able to do this, and we're going to flip the switch. 3 lifetimes, 1 yearly. Okay, that's so over on YouTube, we've got 3 lifetimes, 1 yearly. What do we got over on TikTok? TikTok's going to be a little bit bigger. I can see tons of them over there on TikTok. Yeah, no, this is for crypto evolving. This is for crypto. By the way, those of you that have already bought into crypto, I'm going to super set you guys up. Those of you that were early bird specials, I'm going to really take good care of you guys because you were the first ones in the door. And I've already got them in our system. A lifetime means you're never going to pay again, KU, for these services that we have right now. Now, listen, later on, I might add new services. You guys see we have VIP services and tons of extra training material and things. Like if it costs us a bunch of money, it's going to be a higher tier service, right? Let's be honest, because I can't obviously give you the farm. Why is my mic so hot? Check, 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 check. Sorry, my mic was really hot, wasn't it? Check. Why is that so hot? Is that better? Check. It was popping. Check. Hope that's better. Is that all right? Does that sound okay on the mic? Everybody all right? Hope that's all right. Okay, again, New Year's special, one-time deal. Moderators, we got to count. Moderators, when you guys put it together, you guys can just send me the count. You can post it in the moderators lounge. That'd be great. Oh, another huge sale while I have you guys in here today. This sale's nuts. I wanted something cool to kick off the new year, help you guys out with your New Year's resolutions and all that fun stuff. So right now, if you guys use the coupon code, hey, you ready for this? Use the coupon code 2025 to take 25% off of everything we have for the first year or the first month or if it's a lifetime or whatever you get. So you get to use that 25% coupon off for any new membership you sign up for. So if you're a VIP member and you've always wanted to get a VIP gold, use the coupon code 2025. You guys can get a lifetime membership, take 25% off. If you want to get the first, get a monthly, it'll take 25% off the first month. So whatever you guys do, the very first one is 25% off of any new membership you sign up for. All right? Minus the super deal that I'm doing. I'm not giving you two deals into one. Take it easy. Yeah, we're taking a vote right now for crypto services. You guys, I'm going to give you a ridiculous either annual membership for $500 or a lifetime for $1,500. Yeah, and make sure you put the codes in. So many times I forgot to put the code in. Put the code in. It creates all sorts of admin headaches and nightmares for us. Thank you. Now look at Bitcoin. Everybody see this right here? Look. Do you see where our indicator showed the bounce? I drew it out for you guys an hour ago. Look at this thing, right? Everybody see this? And Happily Housewife says 3 lifetimes, 2 annuals. Okay, good. That's over on YouTube. TikTok, I still don't have a count over there. I know there's a lot of them coming through. It's going to be amazing. Here, I'm going to flip back to my other chart. Hold on. There we go. So again, you guys help me decide. And it's funny, I woke up with this idea of super redonkulous sales. I just, my moderators love it when I do this just out of nowhere. I'm like, you know what? You know what I feel like doing today? We're going to get crazy. We're about to get crazy, stupid, dope, ridiculous. Did everybody watch the latest YouTube video we had out there, by the way? The most important video we've ever posted before. Did everybody watch that video today? I hope you did. If not, make sure you guys take the time to go watch that video today. Make sure you click the like subscribe if you would be so generous, and leave a comment. I'm reading all your comments. Make sure you guys send that thing out there into the universe. Click that share button. Thank you, Jose. Appreciate you. Click that share button if you'd be so kind. I want as many people as I can to get a hold of that video. It was an amazing video. Thank you, John. I appreciate that. Still waiting for a count from one of my moderators for TikTok. Moderators, can you guys see the count? If not, I'm going to try to scroll through these and look. KU lifetime. Let's see. Lifetime 3, 4. Trying not to get the same ones. 5, 6. Annual 1. 2 annual. 4 or 5 lifetime. How about both till you get 100 members? Yeah, I mean, technically I could, right? Maybe we do that. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of how we want to do that. But it looks like, okay, another lifetime. It looks like the lifetime's more than the annual. It looks like we got more lifetimes than we do annual. Should we do them both? Should we run the annual and that? And then we'll just kill it at 100? Because we can see the count. Christina says both. Do both. All right, let's do that. Bruno, do me a favor if you're watching, as I see you running around telling people that we're not DMing them. Can we set up a and I'll replace the stuff on the website, but a 500 annual membership that will include the crypto areas and TradingView, which is ridiculous, and set up a $1,500 lifetime to do the same thing, which will give them access to all the same areas. And let me know when it's set up. I'll change the website. You guys will be able to use it today. It's the first 100 people, no matter what the equation is. I'm going to keep an eye on both of those until it's full. I'm going to try to fill those seats today. Now, obviously, everybody's going to be leaving here probably 1 o'clock for games and everything, but I just wanted to make sure I popped in here. I know that we don't have a ton of traffic right now because it's New Year's Day. I just wanted to come in, say hi, Happy New Year, tell you guys about the super sales again. Don't forget, 2025, you guys can take 25% off the first anything, not the crypto deal, but the crypto deal we're going to run until 100 seats are filled. 500 for a year, 1,500 for a lifetime. Coach, what broker are you going to use for crypto? Well, the funny thing is I've got it in several. I've got mine in several. Gemini. Hold on. I've actually got them on my phone. Hold on. Gemini I used for a long time. I used to use KuCoin until we had issues with the state stuff, but this is the other thing, right? It's just like crypto.com. You can use the app, but not the website. And they're suing the SEC. So it's like, it's tough, right? There's so many of them. Oh, is it Binance? Which one do I have it on? Hold on. I've got to create a folder for these. It's not SoFi. Hold on. Where is it? I used to have a crypto folder. I've swapped my phones like 47 times, so bear with me. I'll have to look at it. Hold on. Maybe I got it up on my site. Hold on just a second. Why am I drawing a blank? Tell you, when you manage a ton of these, it can get... Oh, Coinbase. Duh. Coinbase is another one. So Gemini and Coinbase, those are my two big right now. No, Gopher guy. Appreciate you. Love your face though. Yeah, the payment plan thing we can't control on our end. It's literally just the way that it uses through the iPhone only. It's not through the Mac. It's not through your iPad, which is weird. But so, well, I guess you could technically on your iPad. They just said you have to have at least version, I think, iOS 18 to be able to use it, and then it will pop up. Yep, yep. Yeah, Christina said she's using Robinhood. Yeah, you guys can use Robinhood, Webull, Gemini, crypto.com. Just make sure you're using the app. As far as I know right now, you can still use the crypto app, but you can't use the website. Don't make sure you check that though first, okay? The other thing, yeah, that you guys are going to want to remember is if you're not just day trading this thing in and out, in and out, in and out, and all that stuff, if you guys are trying to hold this long term, you definitely do want to get a cold wallet. Basically, all it does is you're just taking that digital information and you're pulling it off of the brokerage house and you're putting it onto a physical device. That's all it is. Right? So, that's if you guys are holding long term, you must get it off of the brokerage accounts. How many times have you guys heard about everybody being hacked and right, the brokerages being taken and even MetaMask and stuff? Don't leave any of that information out there. Yes, you can scalp it. Absolutely, you can scalp crypto. Yep. Again, all my trading rules and the way that we trade the areas and the things that we do is going to be the same across stocks, futures, and crypto, which is nice. How do you get a cold wallet? You can order it. Order it direct from the source, though, and we're going to have links to all of this. This is what I'm saying. When you guys are inside of our crypto, we'll have links for everything. I'll have some affiliate accounts. You have to be careful because I've heard some horror stories about people like ordering them from Amazon, but it winds up coming from a third party, and they've already like hacked the cold wallet, the cold storage device. And then when it goes online, they take your stuff. Yeah, ledger.com, that's one. Yep. Absolutely. That's one of the largest ones, by the way. But I would recommend you order it directly from the manufacturer. Try not to go through third party. There's a bunch of them, Todd. It just depends on what you want to pay and if you want there to be any electronics involved on the outside and what kind of passwords and things like that. It doesn't need to be super sophisticated. You just want to make sure it's going to last, right? You got mine. DJ says I got mine off of Coinbase. Okay, good. Yeah, see, the more we have of you guys over in our crypto space, the bigger this is going to become and the faster this is going to grow. So get your asses over there. Get over there. Bruno, let me know when those are all set up, wherever you're at. Let me know in the moderators lounge. Looks like somebody just took advantage. Evolving teacher, where are you at? Evolving teacher, smart. Oh, just use the 2025, 25% off your first payment of a VIP membership. That was genius. I see you, Angela. Nice work. Beautiful, beautiful job. Cannot wait to work with you. Now listen, make sure you follow. Angela, you just got an email. Follow it. It's going to show you exactly how to get everything. You're a VIP member, so you just unlocked all the TradingView indicators. You just unlocked all of the workshop classes, right? So you have, I want to say like 20 workshop class videos you just unlocked. You also just unlocked over 50 advanced training videos in our VIP area. So make sure you check that out. I mean, you literally just unlocked a ton of stuff. Let me see. Hold on. Yep, you're also now going to have early pre-market access to us. So from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day, you're going to be working with us live, right? You're going to be in there with all the other millionaires and mentors in the morning and myself starting at 8 o'clock. You'll be working with me for an hour before anything else is going on. You're going to also, by the way, get early access to the hot stock picks, and the IPO center. Everybody else has to wait. If you're a premium member, they have to wait to get theirs. You get all of this stuff early. The workshop classes, the training, trading view indicators, the VIP lounge. So you just opened up a ton of stuff. Plus, of course, you're going to get those videos on demand. Those are a big, big, big deal, by the way. So you got lots and lots and lots of training that you get to start with right now. She used the discount code 2025 and took 25% off of any service we have to start with for the first time. So if you buy a monthly, you took 25% off. You bought an annual, 25% off. You bought a lifetime, 25% off, okay? Is there a more volatile time to trade crypto overnight? Yes, absolutely. Just like on the weekend, there's different shifts. You guys know how I always call 10 o'clock and I always say shift change, meaning a lot more volumes coming in. The same thing happens in the Asian market. So look for that around 1 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and you'll see a big change in the way that it works. Also on the weekends, watch Friday and then either early Saturday or Sunday, depending on if there's any crypto type news going on. But typically Friday night, it's the same thing. You're going to see sell off and you're going to see buyers coming in on Sunday real early. So that's why I used to trade it on the weekends, and you guys will get a rhythm for what the exact times are and for which crypto and which brokerage that you guys like to use. But there are times that are different. Just like the same with futures, right? You guys will see at 6 o'clock when they turn the machines back on, right? It's a little slow. 8 o'clock gets a little bit busier. So all these different times you guys will see, and you guys will get more and more used to it as it goes on. Does the discount work for the VIP Gold Lifetime? Yes, it does. If you want a VIP Gold Lifetime, use the promo code 2025. Make sure it goes in there. You guys will see on our website, right? If you go to our website and key it in, put in the promo code 2025 and click apply before you buy it, you'll see the money come off. If you guys don't see any of the memberships that you want, just ask over in our Discord. Say, hey, I'm trying to buy a VIP Gold Lifetime. We'll send you the direct link. Okay? Those of you that are watching for free, join. You can join us for free. You don't need to buy anything. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. We're live 3 days a week. Or I'm sorry, 3 times a day, 5 days a week. Training 6 days a week. VIP Gold members and VIP members training 12 hours a day. A day. As long as the market is open. We train more than anybody else. We also have open microphones. You'll find that nobody else has that in the business. You guys can ask us real questions all day long. Literally all day long. Listen, the only reason that I didn't create a Zoom today is I'm trying to make sure everybody is subscribing to our YouTube and TikTok and Twitch channels. That's why I did not use our Zoom today for our regular paid members, because I'm trying to get everybody right to boost the algorithm to help us get the word out there. 2025 for American Dream Trading is going to be all about sales and marketing. We've already built this amazing foundation. We have an amazing community. We've got all the things we need on the back end with the help desk and all the moderators and all the trainers and the one-on-ones, and everything is built in. Now we need to get the word out, okay? We don't have a date yet on that. I'm just running that 2025 25% discount because it's the New Year's. So it might be a couple days. So just make sure you guys use it. Yeah, I don't have any time. You guys know me. I'll just say, hey, that's it. Once I see that it's starting to dry up, people are like, I don't want it anymore. I just shut it down and you pay full price. So I just do the deals, and as long as they sell, I usually leave them open. As soon as it slows down, or I think, hey, this isn't really good anymore because I'm just losing money by doing it, I just shut it down. So I really don't ever have times when I'm like, it's going to run from now to now. I just go, hey, I'm just going to kill it today. Yep. Ready to fly in 25 with ADT. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're going to be changing lives in 2025. Big time. So come on over, man. I want everybody to get interested in crypto. Absolutely. Bruno, is that set up? Moderators, help me out. Do you see Bruno anywhere? I think he's setting it all up on the back end, making it happen. Hold on. It might be active now. Oh, here's the lifetime. I just got the lifetime link. You guys want that? I think I can post it on YouTube. Yeah, see if that works. That's the lifetime link. There it is on Twitch. And I can't post it on TikTok, I don't think. Hold on. Oh, maybe. I don't know if that'll post. Hold on. Yeah, there it is. I put it on TikTok. That is the lifetime plan. I'm looking for the yearly next. And then as soon as I get both of these, I will post it to our Discord channel. Now remember, it's going to be the first 100 people. A combination. Oh, it looks like one was just bought. Hold on, which one is this? Yep. Steven just bought one right there. There's one gone, 99 to go. I'm telling you guys, and we just posted it. These are going to be gone immediately. I'm telling you right now. If you're like, oh, I'll just buy the annual for 500, you're going to miss the boat on the lifetime. It's up to you though, right? It's not a hard sell. Buy whatever you want. Just don't come at me later when you want one for 5,000. Well, can I get it for? No, you cannot. This will be the first 100 people. That way our crypto halls will be full. It's just marketing for me, right? I get 100 bodies in there. It's going to be amazing, beautiful, and then I can charge what I want. You get what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Bruno is the second one. Let me see. It's the second one for the monthly or the annual. Let me see. Yep. Okay. All right, gang. Here comes the second one. This one. The second one right here I'm posting. This is that one is the annual. Awesome. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you, Bruno. Bruno on his day off over here making sure you guys are taken care of. Very nice. Thank you, Bruno. So that's 2. Thank you. Let's fill those seats, ladies and gentlemen. You know what to do. All right, I've got them both posted. Hold on a minute. I'm going to post them too. I'm posting it to the Discord. And I'm telling you, you will never get this deal again. Just trying to fill the seats. Appreciate everybody being here. Timo says, I wish I would have got the Futures Lifetime when it came out. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm telling you guys, right? If you have, I mean, listen, some of you can and some of you can't. So don't feel bad if you can't. It's okay. Slizzy says, why so expensive? This is not expensive. It's $2,500 a year for the normal one. What you need to remember, Slizzy, when you think about expenses or not, you're either dealing with the little kids out there who have no experience in anything, or you're going to work with us. There's a major difference. You get what you pay for. Do you want an accountant at the strip mall who charges $39 and who is not going to save you hundreds of thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars on your taxes? Or do you want the best? Right? So need you to think about it. Oh, there it is. Bruno's already got it posted. Nice. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you, Bruno. Bruno on his day off. Let's hear it for Bruno, by the way. This guy's always working. Am I right? Well, hold on a minute. I think I got a speaker down. Give me 1 second. I think I got a system out. Sounds like one of my speakers is down. Let's test it. Nah, we're good. I think we're good. Everybody hear that all right?
There's only one man who would dare give me the raspberry. Lone Star!
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, did I tell you guys too? This might pique your interest a bit because you guys are automatically entered, and I forgot about it. I absolutely forgot about it. Anybody for the month of January who buys any new membership is automatically going to be entered for a chance to win up to $10,000 at the end of the month. I forgot about that. Just a small disclaimer there. Opportunity to win up to 10,000 bucks. My bad. I forgot we were doing the wheel this month. So I'm going to include you guys because I stated anybody who adds on or buys a new service in the month of January, I'm going to pick one lucky winner to spin the wheel of cash for an opportunity to win up to $10,000. Who would like to win $10,000? Make sure you guys double tap that screen if you'd like to be that $10,000 winner. Double tap that screen. Tappy tap. Tappy tap. I forgot about that one. You guys like it when I get the wheel of cash out, right? Who likes the wheel of cash? Anybody? Make sure if you guys are buying memberships, you guys are using the discount code 2025. Nice. Just remember you can't use that discount code with this offer. Looks like another membership was just sold. Merrick's, where are you at? Moving up. Just bought an annual crypto membership. Very smart. Congratulations. Oh, looks like another one just sold. Woodsy just bought an annual crypto membership. All of you are automatically entered for an opportunity to spin the wheel of cash for a chance to win up to $10,000. Congratulations on you too. Let's go, baby. Making it happen. Guys are going to make dreams a reality here in 2025. Nice job. Nice, nice. Moderators, if you're still here, look at all these new people coming in. Throw them up in that stock lounge. Absolutely love seeing that. I love the week of cash. Absolutely. Very nice. What can you not see? The Navo 78. Talk to me. What do you need help with? I can see you. Not seeing it on Discord. If you go to the stock lounge, you'll see where Bruno just posted the two links. Go into the stock lounge. Yep, the monthly. There's a monthly or that's yearly, believe it or not. Don't go to our website. Use these links. I'm gonna change our website. Actually, while I have you guys all here, I'm gonna do that now. Hold on a minute. Yeah, don't go to the website. I haven't changed that yet, partner. I'm actually gonna change it right now. Give me a moment. I'll change it while we are all hanging out, so you guys will be able to use it. Just bear with me. Let me put on my web development hat for just a moment. You know, we do a little bit of everything here. Little dabble do ya. Bear with me. Did I tell you guys that I used to have a team of web designers that worked for my company? My business? Yep. So do I know a little bit of it? Yep. Enough to get by. Enough to do a little dab of the do ya? For sure. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, we don't even have crypto on our website. So give me just a moment. Yeah, you guys will have to go down where it says click this button for more packages. Let me go there now and see where it links you. Just another day at the office. Absolutely. So you guys will go down to the bottom, below the pricing, click here for more packages. Let me see what's on our website. Let's see. We're going to take the other ones offline so you guys will only see these new ones that we just posted. Can you do that, Bruno? Can you remove the other ones, take them offline for now so we can't see them and we just see those new options? Because I don't want people to, let's see if I can do it. Hold on, let me edit. Those are the benefits. Hold on. Bear with us, gang. We'll get you squared away. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about it. We got you. Let's see. Crypto. 500 a year. Okay, cool. Oh, crap. We've already sold 6 of those. Whoa. Yep, those are going quick. Okay. I didn't know we sold that many. Holy crap. Merrick's, Woodsy, Steven, Mark, Joan, Eden. Nice. Okay, hold on. Let's see what else we got to cook in here. Hold on, bear with me. Let's see, there should be multiple ones. They are off already? Okay. Good, good. Thank you. Let's try it then. Click here. I need to what? Look at it like a preview as a visitor. Let's see if I go down crypto. Perfect. Click on crypto. Nice. And then let's see, as a end user, they would then click join. Okay. You guys should now see that. All right. If you go to our website, go to americandreamtrading.com. Let me take you to it right now. Let me get rid of this. Have this. Okay. There it is. Let me flip my screen. All right. If you guys go to our website, here it is. Just americandreamtrading.com. You can click on the top where it says pricing up here, which will take you down here. You won't see crypto. So that means click here for more packages. Everybody see this big giant button down here? Click here. Okay. Now it's going to take you to this website. It's going to look like this. It should, for you, you can see right here's the subscription. When you click on this, there should be a join button. So let me choose the right one. I clicked the wrong one. Make sure it says crypto. Right there. Go up to the, sorry, right there. Yep. Okay. Click join. You see this? There's your 2 choices. Everybody see it? It'll look just like that. Okay. You guys can all see that, right? Hopefully you guys can see that. Now, if you're not buying crypto today and you want to use the 2025 code, you guys can buy anything else. Just remember, it's a one-time use. You're going to use the discount code 2025 to take 25% off of any membership we have. Any lifetime you want to do a one-on-one with a moderator, you want to get, I don't know if I'm listed on there or not, but if I was, you would definitely want to do that. But I don't know if I have any one-on-ones left. I think I sold those. What was the other? Oh, yeah. In any lifetime, you could even do it on monthly. If you're like, hey, I just want to get a VIP 1 monthly, the first month, 25% off. Use the code 2025, right? Just trying to help you out a little bit. 25% off in 2025 to start the year off, right? Now, just remember, we're going to be hanging out much more We're all going to be hanging out. I see our futures members are over there rocking it out. Nice, nice. Yes, love it. Don't forget, those of you that just signed up, I want to show you guys how amazing this is again. Look at this. This thing is like clockwork. Hold on a minute. This is awesome. You guys see this down here? Look at this. We drew this out together, right? Let me get rid of these drawings. Look at this. So nice. This is where I showed you guys, right? The ping pong effect. Right? Look at this thing. Isn't that beautiful? You guys will be able to use that, right? Because you guys, the crypto members, you guys are going to have access to our trading view indicators. Here's a little hint for you. If you guys bought the lifetime membership of crypto, you'd have our trading view indicators forever. Shh. Don't tell anybody. I don't want anybody to know that. Because you can't get these anywhere else. Don't tell anybody if you're the first 100 people that you guys can get it all in there, okay? Don't tell anybody. All right. Let's just keep it between us here. Don't tell anybody. All right. Don't tell anybody about the super sale. It's good for the first 100 people. Whether you buy the annual or the lifetime, I'm going to count them both. So make sure you guys take advantage. Time is at 1:29. Anybody, does anybody plan on trading crypto this weekend or today when we're done? Oh, nice job. Diagnosis, prognosis says, Coach, thanks for your assistance in closing out the year in the green. I finally made more than I lost. I'm assuming you're going to say, good job. Congratulations. That's awesome. Daytree 19 says, I'm new here. Welcome. Humble Pie, what's going on? I do, Coach. Good, good. Yeah, YouTube is lagging a little bit behind TikTok. Okay, thank you. Make sure you guys do me a favor. Make sure you click follow. Make sure you click follow. If you're watching over on YouTube, make sure you guys click subscribe. That would be great. We just had a huge video drop today. Please do me a favor and watch that video. Looks like it's got almost 100 views on it right now. We dropped that at 11 o'clock. I think it's the best video we've ever released. There's a couple of different trading styles in there. Even though it says how to make huge profits with a perfect double top setup, there's more inside of that video. So I hope you guys don't turn it off after you watch the double top. There's way more in there after the double top setup with the A+ setup in there. You can buy the monthly Crescendo 33. I have monthly memberships. Right now, I'm just doing that ridiculous sale. You guys can buy 500 for the whole year or 1,500 lifetime. I'm just doing that to get 100 people in there. That's all I'm doing. And I think we've sold 8 so far. Yep. Keep them coming. There's still some in there. Get them. I'm telling you, it sounds like there's a lot now, but I haven't gone live in irregular market hours. Everybody's sleeping or hanging out or playing games. Nobody knows this deal's going on. Take it. Thank you, Evolve and Educator. I just saw that you signed up for that. Thank you very much. I appreciate your business. Evolving Educator says, the video and the promo code will help me decide. Being an educator, I like your style. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And thank you for being an educator. My sister has her master's in education. I love that. Thank you so much. Coach, for swing trading, what indicators do you recommend? I recommend the same indicators that we use for everything. You can literally use this for everything, right? Let me show you right here. So let's say you're going long. Since we're talking about crypto, let's just use a crypto stock. Okay, so if you guys are going to go long, you guys can use, as you know, my 2-minute EWO indicators works across the board. So a couple things that I always have on my screen is going to be VWAP, the 200 MA the 9 EMA, and the 21 EMA. Those are the major indicators. And we use the 55 as a 2155 crossover. It's kind of built into our algorithm system, but I don't leave it up on my screen. But what I was going to say is, so use our exact same style, okay, with my 2-minute EWO indicators. Let me get rid of some of these. If you look at this, right, using our indicators and my EWO, the Elliott wave oscillator, you can see right here was a buy. See how it went right here? And look at where it went, right? Had a nice pop to the upside right here. Give me 1 second. So you can see that it drove from here, right, up to here. Okay, and then it pulled back to here. Let me make this so you guys can see it really large on your screen. Okay, but it still stayed up here nice and tall. It bounced on the exact same area, and then look at where the high went on this thing, right? Just beautiful up here. Where is the arrow? There it is. Sorry, usually I use Zoom to do all this, so it's much easier. I've got an actual drawing pencil that I do everything with Zoom on. You guys can't see it unless you're a paid member, but it's so much easier than this. But you can see here, right? So a bunch of opportunities to make money. Now look at this. Now this is showing us here, if you look at Mara, on this exact vertical line. And let me draw an arrow here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So if we're long-terming this, right, and then I'm going to show you some other things. But look at this, right? So right there is saying we're now going to go short based upon my Elliott wave oscillator and my strategies that I use. And now look at this. So you can see it was short there, and look at where you're at. That's money, right? And you can do that long term. Now, if you look at this, this is from November 2024 to now. So this is a 1 month look, right? A month and a half, so about 6 weeks. So if you go out even farther, right, you could do the same thing. So look at your weekly, okay? And you can see the same things, right? Let me blow these up. These are all swings. Now, obviously, in here is a little more chop, but that's okay. Look at all this. Let me make this, let's see if we can see them both. Hold on. That looks about good right there. Hold on. Same exact thing over here. There's a buy. Right there. These are flat, flat. Made a little tiny move here. It's enough. It doesn't really make you any money, but this is an example. Same thing here. Makes a little bit of money, not a ton, but it is there. All these vertical lines I'm showing you guys, these are different buy-in areas based on that Elliott wave oscillator. So every time you see a vertical line, this is indicating to us when to get into the next trade. Or if you're in a really good trade, when to start looking at it. Because if you look back here, if you got in on this, which is telling you this is a go, go, go down here, you see this? Well, look at where it's at. I mean, we're talking about $2.30 is the entry right here to somewhere around there. It's really close. But look at what it does. It drives all the way up to $83. See it right here? So if you used exactly what I train you guys on, you went from $2 to $83. And then on the way down, this is around $32 down to $3. Okay? This is just on 2 trades. This one and this one. And you're talking about October 30th to November. This is a year. You had a year to the long side. You see how all I did is I moved from 4 hour a day to a week. So my same strategy applies, right? That you can use for the long term. All right. Nice, nice. That's the ticker you can trust, bro. Okay. All right. We'll definitely check it out. We appreciate it. I am ABD on ED, but I'm looking to retire out, which is what you'll be helping me do. Oh, awesome. Yeah, awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. I'm looking forward to that day. I can't wait for you. That's going to be awesome. Ajay, welcome. Just picked up a lifetime membership to our crypto. Looks like that was crypto, right? Yes, it was. Nice job. Good job. Nice work. Scooping it up. Boy, those are going quick. I'll have to keep a count on that. You guys are flying through there. Nice work. Nice, nice. Let's see what else is going on. Just bear with me. I know I'm kind of bouncing around today. Just going to have a little bit of fun. Let me flip back to this screen again here real quick, and you guys will see what this did. Hold on. So if you guys look at this here, right, you see how it's ping-ponging on our upper and lower levels? You can see it hit right here, pulled all the way back. You see that right there? It hit the 9, which is this green line right here, bounced all the way right back. I know this is kind of hard to read. Let me pull these back off. Let me scale this out a bit. So you can see right here, this is a little bit easier. So it hit our key level, pulled back. This is actually the 9, this light blue. It hit the 21 right here, bounced for a retest to see if we're going to break on through now. See it? But if you look at this, we would have scooped this up down here. Everybody see this down here? I use this a lot down here, and I mean a lot, right? If you guys ever hear me and I'm like, hey, Bitcoin is on support, I can see it without even going back in time, right? So if I look at this, right, if we look right here, this is a support level, double bottom bounce. Everybody see it? By the way, make sure you watch that video today. See this? So without me even seeing that, I had no idea this double bottom was here. I can use it based off of these bands, right? So this is the lower and the upper band here. You guys see our green levels? It loves to ping pong off of these. You see them? I love it. It's one of my favorite things to do. Right here, right here. And then as they get closer, look at it, bounced right here. You see it hit it once right here too? It hit here, it bounced, hit my 21, and in this case, the 55 as well, which is the red line. Then it pulled back again, bounced. Now we're back up in here. Over and over and over and over and over and over again until it breaks through, or it comes back down and breaks through. And then all of this, our algorithm will automatically adjust, and those bands will adjust, putting it exactly where it needs to go next, and then it will start following it again. Right? So we try to make this as the most simplistic way possible to help you guys. Now, don't base all your trades solely on this information. Make sure you guys understand everything that is out there, right, that we're talking about on a daily basis. I don't want you guys just thinking, you know, oh, just every time it ping pongs, because what could happen is you'll have a breakthrough right here, okay? So if I was like, oh, I'm just going to trade it up here, and then it's going to bounce, and I'm going to trade it right here, and then knife drop, okay? We need to know why that happened. We need to be ready for it. You need to have your stops in place, right? I need to know why this broke. Okay, so I would, of course, would have looked back in time and said, hey, what am I looking for, right? I would have saw this key right here, strategic level. Yeah, right there. which would have told me, hey, if this can't hold here, this is going to break through because this was support. But if you didn't know that through our training and you're over here just blindly trading off of our trading view indicators without understanding this, that this is a major support level, right? If you go back in time but if it can't hold here, it's going to be lights out to VWAP. You see it? So if you were just trading bounce areas, you would have ran into trouble on that one. Now, a stop would have saved your butt because if you would have been buying a call here, your stop would be just below it. That would have saved you, right? And that's in all my training videos, and I discuss that every single day. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, good. All right, let's see. Did anybody else scoop up any membership? If you did, I'm staying. If not, I'm out of here. There's no reason for me to sit in this hot seat today on my day off. If anybody's going to scoop up one of those memberships, do it right now. Stick around for a couple more minutes. You guys are keeping me excited in here. When I make money, I get excited. I get excited to see it. So right now, again, if you're just now tuning in, I've got the most ridiculous sale you've ever seen. We've never done this before. It's just to build momentum inside of our new crypto services. $500 for the year or $1,500 lifetime membership. Go to our website, americandreamtrading.com. Click on the pricing. Go to the bottom where it says click here for more prices. Make sure you guys click on the crypto area and you'll see those new prices. Head over there right now. Nice explanation. Thank you, Hobby Collecting. Good to see you. Yeah, now remember, I want to teach you guys hundreds of different ways that you guys can trade. Long-term, swing trade, intraday, scalping, covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel option strategies, strangles, straddles. We were doing iron condors inside of our mentorship room. We can do butterflies, right? It doesn't matter. Whatever you guys want to do. I show you for every market condition, whether it's bearish, bullish, or sideways, and then we can trade on it, right? I don't care what the market does. You shouldn't either, because just like if you're holding anything long, you should be hedging. I tell you that every day. So during all this tax harvesting, when they were dropping all the bombs and selling off, my members should not have been worrying anymore. And you heard some of my members, because they had already put in those covered calls, and some of them were doing wheel option strategies, and those that were holding leaps and or shares long term were hedging short term or a little bit longer term to the downside. They were fully protected, or at least 80% protected on the accounts, right? These are the things you need to know, where I'm not just a day trader. I didn't just sit around for 33 years in the stock market and just day trade, right? I like most of you, went through phases, long term, and then swing trade, and then intraday, and then scalping, and then back to a longer term, and then using a 15-minute, and then a 5, and then a 3-minute. Worked my way down to a 2, and I was like, that is a sweet spot. But it took decades and patience to get this dialed in and where it needs to go and when I can do what. And I realized this 2 minutes is the magic window, and nobody talks about it. I'm starting to hear a little bit more chatter because people are watching my videos, but there was zero chatter at all ever on the 2-minute. I'm like, this is amazing for an intraday entry. 1 minute's too fast. 30 seconds is when I'm doing large positions and I'm going to get in and out, right? You guys will see a lot of them, like Warrior Trading. He loves to do, he'll do ticks, 10 seconds, 30 seconds maximum, right? In and out. Smaller time frames, he'll do 60,000 positions on a small penny stock, right? Make tons of money. He's a great momentum trader on the small stuff like that, as far as like in and out micro transactions. And I love that style. Right. But some of you, I want to calm it down. So we go into more of a 2-minute where I let you guys let it develop, let it happen. You're not sweating as much. You don't have to be so fast and thinking about things, and right, it slows down. Some of you might want to work off a 15-minute candle, and I give that to you guys too, right? The 15-minute rule. If it doesn't break the first 15 minutes on a large or mid-cap stock, I tell you guys, then you need to watch for it. If it didn't break pre-market high, watch for it to go down for the day. But right, if it breaks low, watch for it to crash. If it does break high, then watch for it to run that day. So I try to give you guys as many different examples as we can. And again, a lot of this information, you're going to be able to apply it to our futures and now crypto, right? And you guys will be able to use the trading view indicators for both, which is incredible. And the reason I'm doing that, by the way, is because I want to give you the edge. And I think it's a huge edge for you guys to be able to use this. I really, really do. If I didn't think so, we wouldn't have it at all. And I want to tell you guys this. I lose money every day because of what I'm doing with my trading view indicators. If you guys notice, I don't sell those to the public. Someday I might. Right now, I don't do it. What I found is when we were selling it as a standalone, people were just using the trading view indicators, blowing up their accounts. They weren't getting training anymore. This isn't a cookie cutter. This isn't a bot, right? A fake bot that'll blow your account up on the first bad decision, right? Or the first algorithm that blows up. I don't want that. So I stopped making money by just selling my trading view indicator. So I was making money in my sleep because people were just subscribing and just paying for it because I didn't want people to lose money over it, right? If I think you guys can become responsible enough, someday I might turn it back on, right? I'm missing a lot of money, by the way, by not just selling this. I could sell just a regular membership. You guys see it all over Facebook, right? You guys are scrolling through Facebook. Everybody's trying to sell you some sort of algorithm or bot or some crap. Have you guys noticed I don't do that? Right? Someday I might sell out. I don't know. Someday, right? If memberships start to slip and I'm like, hey, we need a boost in the old econ, maybe I'll put them back out there. And then if you guys get reckless, I'll take that shit right back. Be like, no more. But for now, I'm just like, you should have a membership. You should understand what to do with it. I don't want anybody, losing your accounts and blowing it up in your face. So I'm just saying it's a nice tool to have to go along with your training and education. Am I right? Wow, 22,000 likes on TikTok. Thank you. I'm losing my voice. It's getting late in the day after 2 o'clock. I can't drink any more of this dew. I'm going to have to put this away in a minute. I don't want to be all wired up all night. Oh, thank you guys. Appreciate everybody being here. Any questions for me? Oh, I think Sid just sold a membership. Hold on. Nope, that was AJ's. Never mind. All right, any last minute questions for me? Time to stand. My watch is even yelling at me to get out of the seat. Any questions? Anything I can help you with before I leave? Don't forget, AmericanDreamTrading.com. 100 people. 100 people. You can either buy the annual for $500. The membership for crypto right now, ridiculous sale, just so I can put bodies in there. $500 for an annual, which is going to be $2,500 after the first year, or lifetime for $1,500, which after I sell these first 100, that's going back up to $5,000. There you go. What XRP will up or down? You're asking if XRP will go up or down. If you notice, XRP is literally just following the trend, right? And when you guys are watching crypto move, it's just following it right now. And of course, you're going to want to watch for, XRP news if anything happens. We'll keep an eye on it. XRP is one of my tops. Do you guys want to, that's what I'll do on the way out here. Do you guys want to know what my favorite crypto stocks are? Is anybody interested? If you're interested, let me know. Let me see if I have it up on my charts. Hold on. I think I do. Hold on. Sorry, I got like 800 different. Anybody curious? Anybody? Bueller? What did I do with them? Hold on. I've got 6 sites on here. Hold on. Give me just a moment. I'll pull this up for you guys, and you guys can see what mine are. Did I put it on crypto.com? Let me look. I put it on Binance. Don't worry, guys. I'll put my crap together. I didn't anticipate. I was just like, I'm going to go live. I didn't know what I was going to talk about. Just thought I'd jump on here with you guys. Where did I put those? You guys are going to kill me if I can't pull this up. I put it on Gemini? No. I did have XRP over there, though, on Gemini. Hold on. Let me get rid of some of these screens. I got way too many screens up. I do have Coinbase up, but I don't think I put my favorites yet over there. Hold on. Yep, here it is. Okay. Here we go. Hold on. Let me flip screens. Give me just a moment. Why Butler says, why would you straddle during the day rather than just wait for a breakout and enter? You can do either. I train you on both. You can do either one. I train you on both, right? I even show you the exact same spots. Hold on. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see my screen right here? So some of these are my favorites. Can you guys see them? Now that's the first 10. And then I've got 5 more over here. Can you guys see these? I used to really like that sandbox. Really like sandbox. Same with Phantom. Those were huge for a while. Obviously Uniswap, right? Did a lot of stuff with Pancake and Shibu's in there. Shiba. And then I got Chainlink, Cardano. We can see 3. You should see all of them. Is that all you guys can? You can see them all, right? Not seeing, yeah, if you don't see the crypto on the website, go below that. Go down where it says click here for more. It'll say click here for more, what is it? Click here. Click this button for more packages. You see them below the prices on the website? You should be able to see them. Right down here. Click the button here for more packages. See this? Click that button, okay? Let me know if you can't see them. Look at Bitcoin pulling back now. Now look at this. Oops. Hold on. Let me flip my screen. Look at this. Here. And look at what it did here again. Right? Bounce, bounce, bounce. This one broke through. Came up. Bounced. Came back up. Came down. Had actually bounced here. Hit here. Came back up here. Now it's pulling back. Can you guys see this? What's the promo code? Crypto right now, you don't need a promo code. It's $500 for a whole year, which is normally $2,500, or it's going to be $250 a month as soon as I fill this, by the way. As soon as I get to 100 people, I'm shutting this down. It's $250 a month, $2,500 a year, or $5,000 annual, or $5,000 lifetime. Right now, it's $500 for a year, or $1,500 lifetime for the first 100 people. Which, if I was live, this would be done. If I was live, these seats would be full. And I mean live during a regular day, not 50 people or whatever's in here right now. Oh, for our stocks. If you want any of the stocks, use promo code 2025 for any of the stocks, options, or futures memberships. Use the discount code 2025. You can take 25% off of anything the first time. So if you get a monthly, 25% off the first month. You get an annual, 25% off the first year. You get a lifetime, 25% off. So I'd recommend using, obviously the larger package because it's a one and done, right? Use that for the large package. And by the way, anybody that buys a new membership, not you're renewing a membership, anybody that adds a new membership, you're automatically entered to spin the wheel. If one person is going to spin the wheel of cash at the end of the month for a chance to win up to $10,000 live. That's any new membership signups. So if you had a VIP and you add a gold, you're entered. You buy crypto, you're entered. You've never been a member and you sign up for premium, you're entered. You're a premium, you upgrade to VIP, you entered. If you're a VIP but you buy a VIP lifetime, you're entered. Okay, anything you didn't have before and you buy it in the month of January, you are automatically entered, and one person is going to get the chance to spin the wheel to win up to $10,000. You guys have seen me before do it in here. People love the wheel o' cash. The wheel o' cash in a flash. Who's excited about tomorrow coming back in? Everybody's going to be ready to go. It's going to be a brand new year, right? Today is the first of many days, us together doing all sorts of amazing things. Is everybody excited or what? This is going to be amazing. 2025 is going to be incredible. We broke every record again for 2025. Absolutely amazing. By the way, we were a top seller on our platform. Out of 6,000 companies, we were rated between the 5th and 10th place all year out of 6,000 companies. Top 3 out of all of the trading companies. And we had only been in with this new marketplace for 3 months before the new year started. Those guys have been in there for years. We immediately came in and took over the entire platform. This year, one of the plans that I wrote down is I want to start a docu-series. I don't know if you guys are interested in that or not. We want to do a podcast, which is another thing that we want to do this year. Those are 2 major things that I want to do. But the docu-series is something that's going to be near and dear to my heart. I want to show you guys, right, how somebody who came from nothing has became a multi-millionaire doing what I've done, coming from the streets of nothing to where I am today. And I thought that would be cool. You guys can kind of see my journey, where I came from, where I am today, how I run and operate this business. Thought you guys might like to see. You guys interested in something like that? I wrote down that I'd like to do a docu-series on that this year. I don't know how big or vast or complicated or small, or if it's going to be a one YouTube video or a couple, or am I going to throw it into a podcast, or I don't know. But I put in there, I thought you guys might like to see the journey of, right, coming from nothing to where I am today, right? Nice house, nice cars, beautiful family, right? Big, beautiful office, hanging out with you guys, going live every day. You guys will be able to see my whole setup, what it looks like behind the scenes, a day in the life, right, with the coach. Thought that might be kind of cool. I don't know. Could just be me, but I thought it'd kind of resonate with a lot of you guys, right? A lot of you that are struggling out there, coming from adversities to where I am today. Coach, for someone joining your Discord for the first time, where do you recommend they start? The FAQ. So if you go to the new member start here, go to the FAQ. You'll see the channel. It's if you just type in pound FAQ, right? Or pound anything, by the way, you'll see at least what the names are. But it says new members start here. So we've got the FAQ, the affiliate program. So if you want to take advantage of TradingView and get, discounts and Webull, right? You guys can use all that. Or in the discounts, you can get Webull and free shares when you sign up. The affiliate program, if you guys want to give your link to somebody else so you guys can make 30% for life on anything they buy. All the membership info is inside of the new members start here. So if you're like, hey, what membership do I want to get? We do an onboarding once a week. We did one yesterday. So for new members, we actually had a Zoom meeting with onboarding, showing you guys where to go, what times we start, what options you have available to you, where you should go. We do that once a week, so don't worry. It's once a week. It's all in our calendar of events. We are live 3 times a day. I'm in here from 9 to 11. Then we're here again from 2 to 4 for futures, and then in the afternoon, the aftermarket from 5 to around 6:30. So we're live 3 times a day. Yes, 30% for life on anything that you recommend to somebody else and they use your link. They have to use your link. Yes, if they use your link, 30% forever. We're the only ones that offer that. It's ridiculous. No options. What do you mean, partner? Your account, by the way, says user 254 and a bunch of numbers, but 245. Options. We trade. Yeah. We trade stocks, options, futures, and crypto. Yes. We trade options heavily, very heavily. By the way, my name is Chad. In case you guys are like, who is this old guy? AK the coach. I've been in the stock market for 33 years, officially now. 33 years I've been doing this. I've trained over 1 million people. We've made over $150 million undocumented, unverified before everybody. I go, the receipts and I'm coming for you. Stop. Right? You guys heard a lot of our members. Jimmy, over 30 million. I think 28 million was last count. Brady, 30 million, I believe. Where are we at? Mark's 22 million. Nate's 11 million. Palm Coast has to be easily 5 million this year. I think he was shooting for 1 million in December. I don't know how close he got. Right? So if you start adding up just a couple of people, right? And we've made 10 other millionaires. You can see, 10 millionaires. You can see though how fast those numbers add up, right? Oh, thank you, man. Some of the coolest moderators I've ever had the pleasure to watch. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Looks like somebody else just took advantage. This is the annual crypto. Congratulations, Brian. Brian, let me look. It looks like you're new because I don't see your Discord. So, Brian, what just happened is you got an email. All right, check your email. In your email, it's going to tell you everything you need to do. It's going to link your Discord account. It's going to get you access you need. If you need any help, just reach out. You'll see it in the email. So, Brian, congratulations to you on your annual crypto membership. Nice. So again, make sure you guys head over, take advantage of that. Oh yeah, David. Yeah, right there. David, one of our moderators. David, yeah, he's at $368,000 in 2 years and 4 months from being here at American Dream Trading. You guys can see David over there on TikTok, one of our moderators. By the way, most of our moderators have fully retired for being here. Eric's Moto, retired. David, retired. Mark, retired. Nate, retired. Palm Coast, retired. And retired. And then the ones that we already talked about. Jimmy, retired. Brady, retired. Ted, retired. Mark, retired. Right? All my moderators, retired. Most of them are retired since they joined American Dream Trading, right? You did receive the email? Okay, cool. Was that you? Hobby that I just mentioned, Brian? I hope that was you. I hope you got that. Which memberships gives training on? It was. Okay, awesome. Which membership gives training on stocks and options? We have the regular premium membership, which is $200 a month. Then we have the VIP, which obviously I would recommend, but it is pricey at $500 a month. It's completely up to you, but it does offer the most bang for the buck. Right? And if you use the discount code 2025 on any of those, it can be premium or it can be VIP or lifetime, whatever you want. But use the discount code 2025 to take 25% off. But the regular premium membership is the lowest one we have that will start you with stocks and options. And even with that, you guys will start getting training from us 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day, Eastern time. Am I still offering the buy VIP get gold promo? Nope, I ended that. Nope, that just ended. Yeah, I ran that 3 months. I think I ran that for 3 months. Buy 6 months, get 6. That was, yeah, it was 6 months. I ran that for 6 months straight. I kept telling you guys, it's going away, it's going away, it's going away, it's gone. going, gone. Hopefully you guys took advantage of that. That was ridiculous. I always try to run something cool and exciting. Right now, 2025, this is an amazing promo. You did take advantage. Okay, great. Gold's where it's at. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. If you get VIP and VIP Gold, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I don't think there's any other program that's as good in the world. I mean, obviously I'm biased. I made it. It's our program. But guess what? I've entered a lot of the other areas to see what they're doing. They have nothing out there. I've gotten into a lot of the groups to see what they're offering. I'm like, hey, are they offering anything different? Is there something cool? Do they have anything exciting? Nope. Not at all. In any way, shape, or form. If you get a gold membership, you are training with us 60 hours a week. You ever heard of that before? Somebody tell me if you've ever heard of any other place that trained you for 60 hours a week. I'll hold. Oh, wait. Let me know. That's our VIP Gold from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. And Saturday training. And breakout rooms Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And workshop classes. And mentorship classes. That's VIP Gold. Right? I'll wait. Tell me one. Give me your favorite YouTuber. Give me anybody you can think of. Anyone. I know them all. I know most of them personally. Just give me one. Yeah, absolutely. You're welcome. Oh, hey, what's up, Utah? Thanks for working with us step by step in VIP. It's so appreciated. Yeah, absolutely. Utah Trader, good to see you, man. Appreciate you. Thank you guys for those gifts. Thank you, Steve, Christina. Thank you for the gifts over there on TikTok. Thank you over there on YouTube. I thought I saw a super chat go by. Thank you very much for that. First time over there on Twitch. What's up, Miha? Good to see you. Yeah. No worries, boss. Boss of the South. I see you. Join the free Discord and start. Okay. Doesn't require anything. Go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Click on the free Discord. I've also got thousands of YouTube videos. Let's get you started. I've got a lot of free stuff. I've got games, flashcards, terminology, how-to videos, ebooks. Man, I've got enough ebooks to keep you busy for a long time. I think I've got 8 free ebooks and 2 that you can either borrow from Amazon or they're paid. They're not my books, but go over to my ebook section. Right? I got lots of stuff over there, okay? Yeah, absolutely, man. And I appreciate you being here. Absolutely. Boss of the South, let me know when you come into the Discord. Boss of the South, let me know when you come in the Discord. Okay? And let me know what your Discord name is. I'm not going to be on here much longer, just a couple more minutes, but if I can get you in here fast enough, I'll give you a month of premium membership for free to start your 2025 off to help you and that beautiful family of yours. How's that sound? Huh? Okay, good. Let me know. All right, absolutely. Let's see. Even if your trading day isn't the best, Nate the Great will keep you laughing. Yeah, Nate's awesome. Yeah, Nate is amazing. And don't forget, he drew a line in the sand yesterday. You guys heard him live, right? Did everybody hear him live yesterday? He said, no more excuses. He's going to single-handedly work with all of you to make sure you guys are successful. You heard Nate the Great. And by the way, this is what's beautiful. Nate the Great came in here, like a lot of you, no experience at all. 0. He's now made over $11 million in profits. And he's always helping. He's always in the pre-market. He's always in the gold, the VIP gold breakout rooms. He's always in on Saturdays. He's always training in the room with me for the mentorship class. He is a student constantly, and that's what you need to be, right? It's the same with me. Even though I'm the teacher, I'm always trying to be the student as well. If there's a bigger, better, faster, anything, I want to know about it. This is why I buy all the tech. I'm like a tech hoarder. But if there's a better way and it helps us, we need to have it. because I want us to always be cutting edge as long as it makes sense. You don't want to be so bleeding edge that it doesn't help you but hinder you. But I always want to make sure, everybody here, we have the best of the best so we can provide you guys with the best products and services, right? And a lot of that comes from technology. That's how we were able to hit the ground running. I had already ran a YouTube channel for 6 years and I made hundreds of videos, and I used to do lives every week. I was interviewing and talking to people all the time on my old tech channel. I mean, that's how I was able to set up the lights in the studio and get all the audio and the production and doing video editing before I had all you video editors and all the stuff, right? Which came from I used to have to do my own YouTube video or my own, high school football tapes and stuff for football and coaching. And I mean, all of it just kind of goes hand in hand, right? Yeah, absolutely. We've got a lot of amazing talent. Hey, what's up, Papa Doc? Good to see you. We got a lot of people in here. What's up, Corbin? Good to see you, man. Got bumblebees in the house. We got the Corbin. Appreciate you guys. Corbin, how's the new job going, man? How's the new management gig happening? You liking that, buddy? I hope you're all right. I hope they're treating you well. If not, you let me know. Me and 100 other truckers will show up and beating down the door and make sure they treat you well, right? We'll be kicking that door down, telling your boss you better be flying straight. You know what I'm saying? Doug, looks like Doug just signed up for the annual crypto membership. Congratulations. Nice job. Well, we had a couple more. Also, Karen just got, the Lifetime Smart Mom. Where are you at? You are the smartest mom. She gets everything. I love Smart Mom. Smart Mom, you're a genius. You're a genius. She just signed up for the Lifetime membership over there on the crypto side. Nice job. Nice. I see a lot of new free members came in. Again, make sure you guys, if you are free, make sure you guys are doing a couple things. You need to verify your account. It's just a little verify button to make sure you're not a fake account. Also, you're going to get an email on how to link your account to our Discord. And remember, we will never send you a direct message. We will never send a friend request. We will never say, hey, how's your trading going? I'm not reaching out to any of you personally, and none of our moderators are. So if you get on our Discord and somebody's messaging you, that's not us, okay? That's a bunch of scammers, and they're not even on the server. They're coming from the outside in, all right? Oh, they're good people. Good. I'm glad to hear that, buddy. Yes. Appreciate you guys. Let's see. Let's see. Thanks for your whole program, Coach. I've been in a lot of trading rooms. I only lost till now. Thank you, man. I'm glad you're here. Hit me like, I can't say your last name. I'll say Bob. Hit me like a Bob since I'm online. I don't want the system freaking out. Thank you. Appreciate you. Yes. Just reading through some of the comments. Thank you, guys. Happy New Year, says Matt. Thank you, Matt. The best teachers come from adversity, says Evolve, an educator. Thank you. I appreciate that. We at least have a little bit of real world experience, a little bit of street smarts too, right? Because you guys know, if you weren't highly educated, typically you're the other side, right? We're maybe a little bit more street smart, or we're paying attention a little bit more to people and mannerisms and what they do and how they respond, and right? Or, you're extremely smart or book smart, or, maybe you're able to read a book really fast and memorize it and do the things, and you're going to be amazing at accounting and all the other stuff, right? We all have our own talents and skills. And that's why I said it all depends on your upbringing and surroundings and things that, were that affected your life and the way that it molded you and shaped you. And, we just have to be thankful for everything, good or bad. It's who you are. You can't recreate yourself. It's who you are. So embrace the strengths and try to work on your weaknesses, right? As I'm sitting here in the hot seat, entertaining and education, doing the things that I said I would never do. I'm never going to be an entertainer. I don't want to be what my father was, a dance monkey boy, do the things. I said, dance, dance. Here I am. Here I am for your entertainment pleasure. But it's funny because I like being with you guys. And I guess in a way, I've always done this kind of thing anyways. I've always been a trainer, an educator. I've always been a coach. I've always been a manager at everything I was until I ran my own companies. I've always had the entrepreneur mindset. So, I mean, here I am, right? It used to be my full-time job, by the way, is go around to banks and convert entire banking systems from old systems to new. I would take old credit unions and convert them to new banking systems, right? Some high school kid from Flint, Michigan, right, converting millions and millions of dollars from old systems to new systems and technologies, and that was my job. And I had 167 banks in Michigan that I was, a direct tie into, and helping other companies in their processes and their procedures, from robotics to seating companies to quality assurance to you name it, I did it. Right? That's because I was hungry, though. I wanted more. I had that drive, that ambition, that I see a lot of that in you guys. Thank you. Thank you, Doug. Thank you, Coach. Just joined the crypto team. First features and now crypto. That's awesome, man. Thank you so much. Would love to see your story, Coach. Thank you for being here today. I love VIP Gold. Thank you, man. I appreciate you being here. Love the way you coach. You've turned me around on my trading and still do. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Listen, I know you guys, there's a lot of you out there that have these hardships, and some of you, and this is why I say too, right, that, maybe some of you didn't have some of the weird things, but listen, a hardship is a hardship. Whether you were dirt floor poor or somebody treated you bad, right? Whether you had an alcoholic or drug addicted parent or somebody, calls you names all the time, whatever it is, right? Like everybody's got their thing. And that's why I don't put like, ooh, mine's worse than yours or yours is worse than mine, or we're all humans, man. And how it affects you, it could be the same as how it affects somebody else with a different situation, right? So that's why we're all here in the same place. We're all trying to do the same things, right? I'm not hiding any of this information. I'm trying to give you guys everything I got here. And I know the haters hate that, and they come at me because I tell you guys stuff, right? I let you know, like when I lost my VP job, I started Uber Eating and DoorDash. So what did my haters do? They started trying to use that against me. You went from an Uber Eats driver to now trying to trade you in the stock market, right? But they left out that I had already made millions in my life as an entrepreneur, growing a successful 5-location business, 40 full-time employees, one of the largest IT companies, right, out of Michigan on my own. They leave out the little things and add in the stuff they think is a dig, but it ain't, because I'm not ashamed to work. I ain't scared of working. I do what I got to do, right? Does it hurt your pride when you lose your vice president job to outsourcing and I had to fire myself and my wife, who, by the way, was working for me as a dispatcher for the same company? I had to let her go and then fired myself. Does that sound like fun? Is that a good time that the haters love to, try to chew on? Nope. Well, me and my wife were working 7 days a week in a little Chevy Spark that we bought for our son. And the day he got orders to go to Germany was the day that his used car showed up. That was that vehicle that we were giving that to him because he was in boot for the Air Force. The same day he got orders to go to Germany, this is the same day they delivered that car from Detroit. And we're like, what do we do now? So guess what? We kept the car. And guess what? We drove for years. So before I had all these flashy cars and cyber trucks and Rivians and EVs, me and my wife were driving that, sharing the car. Right? Even when I was making 6 figures as a VP and everybody's like, oh, you're driving that? Yep. I had already gone through the big flash. I've already made millions. I already had the new Vets, Tahoes, Cadillac, Escalades, matching vehicles, the homes, the boats, right? Had nice bass fishing boats, all sorts of stuff. I lost all of that in a housing market crash. 2008, 2009. Some of you guys may or may not remember it. I had all my businesses at the same time. I had opened up too many businesses and they all started bleeding at the same time. I had one on Miller Road, which if you guys are from Flint, you know what I'm talking about. I had a Miller Road location, for crying out loud, which is the hottest spot in Flint. It was getting buried, right? Had one in Davison. Had another one in Southfield. I had one in Troy. Brand new offices built in Troy, Michigan, one of the most expensive places, brand new office spaces. And then as the housing market started to crash, so did the businesses. Right? I've already been there where you guys are at. I've gone from rags to riches to rags to riches. No, you probably never see those. Here's the thing, right? Watching people trade, that doesn't do anything for you guys, right? It's fun and ooh and ah. And you guys have seen me make 150,000 in a day, right? I've traded some of the biggest trades that have ever come out of our company in a single day. That doesn't help you. That doesn't do anything for you, right? That doesn't help you. It's fun to watch, but that doesn't help you. So no, you'll never be watching them trade. I mean, we've had people make millions in a day doing the exact same thing, just with larger amounts, right? But you guys have seen it. What you guys want to watch is when we're training and educating. Don't really worry about our trades. You want to know the setups and how to get in and when to get out, right? That's the important stuff. Not, ooh, we made $5 million today. We do that crazy stuff, quite a bit. If you guys have been here any length of time, you've seen a lot of us make easily six figures per day. Yeah, right there, David. Started following August 20. By the way, that's when I started. Was August 1st, 2022. He said he found enough consistency to retire from his 9-to-5 job June 18th. That's my father's birthday, by the way. 2023. Look at that. So 10 months later, he was retired from his job. You guys see that? That's David, by the way, one of our training moderators. Now he does one-on-ones. He has a live Apple chat. He's always flying around the country, right? Doing meet and greets and having fun and hanging out with people. And right, like, it's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, Steve said, David teaches me now. Yep. We haven't decided yet what time the crypto live will be. In the interim, it's going to be me popping in kind of randomly until we can dial in when it's going to happen. So just bear with us here in January while we're getting all of our legs underneath us. So January, we're going live. This is our live moment. So just bear with us. We're going to find somebody good, right, who can walk you through it. It's going to end up being one of our members. So again, if you guys love crypto, you guys want free services, come and see me, man. We'll set you up. We'll get you the lights, the cameras. We'll get you right in front of the crowd, having you talking about it for a couple hours a day. We would love to hear from you. If you guys are watching right now and you're a crypto king or queen and you're like, well, I want all that. I want to get into all your stuff for free. Come and see me, right? Right now, by the way, with my products and services, if you're a moderator, on average, you're getting about $20,000 of services for free per year. So about $1,500 to $1,800 a month of free products and services as a moderator. Some of the moderators get paid, some of them don't. It really just depends on what their situation is, what they do for us. Let's see. What do we got here? Somebody just bought something. Ronald just got, what is this? VIP. Congratulations, Ronald. Just got a VIP membership. Ooh, that's a heck of a deal. Yes, Ronald, by the way, Ronald just took advantage of the 2025 promo. Wow, that is a good price. Just got 6 months of VIP for $11.25. That's incredible. I was like, I've never seen that price before. Nice job, Ronald. Ronald, by the way, since that was a new membership for you, you are automatically entered. I'm going to choose one of you that has new memberships. One of you is going to have the opportunity to spin the wheel of cash to win up to $10,000 on the wheel of cash. So congratulations to you. Ronald, I appreciate you. Coming out of Utah, I see. Nice. Got a lot of people from Utah. Did you see that, Utah trader? We just got another member from Utah. Nice job. Congratulations to you. Took advantage of promo code 2025. Yes, go to the American Dream Trading website. Click on more packages on the bottom. Yep, and you'll see the free Discord link below. Absolutely. Appreciate all of you. Hey, what's up, Mia Mai? How you doing? Says, Coach, good to see you. Legend says, God bless your wife for sticking by your side. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, well, here's the thing, right? So when my wife met me, we were already so dirt floor poor. I mean, I had a house, when my wife met me, I had a house in Beecher. It was $10,000 for that house. I was in the ghetto. I mean, straight hood. My wife was from the city next door that was real nice, and I was from straight hood. So she had been with me since I was, dirt floor poor. So when I had gone through the phases from poor to rich, and then we lost it back to poor, it was like, well, here we are again, right? And then now here we are. So, but yeah, absolutely. Josh says never touched futures, only shares and options for 4 years. Can you explain them to me like I'm 5? Yeah, absolutely. The easiest way to think about when you're trading futures is think of them like shares. So when you're buying them, you can buy, they have what's called minis or micros. Those are going to be smaller or larger size. Think in your head, smaller or larger size options. I don't want to say there's no expiration. There is, but we really don't think of it that way. When you buy them, they move in ticks. So, and it depends on which ones you're buying. So every time it moves a tick. So in my case, I trade a lot of ES. I'll put this up on my screen. So this is ES main, which is equivalent to SPX or SPY. You could also trade the micros, which would be MES. Let me show you. So same thing here. One just costs more than the other. The micros are much cheaper than the minis. So if you are trading, and this is what's cool with these, it's a one price. So, options are always a different price depending on strike price, expiration, and all of that. We don't have this with futures. Okay. You also don't have to worry about any type of Greeks. There's no gamma, theta, implied volatility. There's no time decay. None of that exists. It's either going up or it's going down, and every time it moves up or down, and in this case per tick, which is 0.25 cents, then you either make money or lose money, or, right, depending if you're short or long. And that's the other thing that's nice with futures. You either click buy to go long, or you click sell to go short. So it's like a call, right, or a put. You're buying a call or you're buying a put. Yeah, there's no PDT rules. You don't have to wait for cash to settle. If you had a $500 account and you made $500 today in futures, you have $1,000. You can trade that immediately, right? So, yes, there's still exponential losses because it's using an actual margin account, right? So you could have a $500 account, which is what they initially make you have. But let's say you bought a mini for $98 and you let it run all day and you ended up losing, $600. Well, you're going to get a margin call, right? If you don't have stops and everything else. Yeah, everybody overthinks this, and that's okay. It's actually extremely easy. If you can trade options, futures is going to be like, this is so easy. So come on over. Come on over. Absolutely. Hit up our futures, man. We got an amazing futures membership. You get training every day from noon to 4, every single day. Come on over. Absolutely. Use that discount code, though. 2025 will give you 25% off of anything. So if you want a 1 month of futures, take 25% off. You want an annual of futures, take 25% off, right? The first time you use it. You want a lifetime of futures, 25% off, okay? Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the roses. I see that, HD Mike. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hot peppers, the hot chili peppers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for those GGs. You guys are getting it done. Steve now dropping the coins. Thank you. Happy New Year's, Coach. Happy New Year to you too, Bumblebee. Thank you. Yeah, I'm stuck on how did you find us? How did you find us? Is that an option? Is that an email? Is it something to click, boss? It's saying I need an invite link. Moderators, can you guys see over on YouTube, Boss of the South is having some problems? Do I have a moderator over there that can assist, please? Yeah, man, what's going on with that New Orleans stuff? I can't really go into it, but what in the heck? Thoughts and prayers going out for all the victims and families. Oh my gosh, right? What is that? Ridiculous. I'm sick of that crap. I'm really sick of that stuff. Let's see. Steve says, I've been in since the beginning as a lifetime, now VIP gold. Absolutely. Yeah, it's definitely a crazy world. Listen, I don't know what side of the fence you're on, but I'm hoping all that's going to change soon. We need some law and order. It's been really ridiculous. I am starting to see people now in California are now starting to go to jail again for stealing from all the retail stores. Because under a different administration, they started to allow like theft to be not a prosecutable offense, which makes no sense. And then you guys saw what started happening. They had to start closing stores because if they're just going to let them all get ripped off and there's nothing that can be done about it, you're going to lose business. Well, guess what? You lose stores and there goes all your tax money. Oh, boy. Things that make you go, So we're getting some law and order back, right? Respect the police, respect the military. Let's bring it all back. Am I right? Yeah, you're so happy about that living in Cali? Yeah, I bet. Oh my gosh, that turned into a freaking war zone. What in the world's going on over there? They raising all your taxes and letting the city burn. Same thing with New York. Holy crap, they really allowed that thing to just get destroyed. Oh my gosh, you see the subway incident again? That just happened? Are you serious? That's 2 in a week. What is going on? Crazy. Let's get this stuff under control. For reals. Thank you again, by the way, for joining us. I appreciate all of you guys hanging out with me on New Year's Day. Wow, we got over 100 people in here over on TikTok. I'm not sure how many we have on YouTube. Let me refresh the screen. Hopefully it doesn't blast music or something weird. Hold on. Oh, that's Twitch. Hold on. Let me refresh YouTube. I don't know how many we have. Let me see. All of you guys hanging out. There it goes. 50 watching over on YouTube, 40 likes. Thank you. Yeah, TikTok, we're at 105 people viewing that I can see right now. 28.8 thousand likes. Thank you. You mostly watch on YouTube. I appreciate that. Thank you, HD Mike, for the gifts. Appreciate it. Anytime. Love your vibe. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, that's okay. He says with a convicted felon. I hope you realize what those convictions were, right? Like, come on, stop. We like to call that a witch hunt. You know what's crazy? And I don't want to get all political, but they had 50 people on them for like 8 years, and they came up with a bunch of Man, if somebody was researching you guys for 50 years or 8 years with 50 agents and they spent like $50 million to try to find dirt on them, I bet you they'd find more than that on every one of us. Am I right? You got to be kidding me. How many deals has he made? Thousands of deals in his lifetime, and they found a couple of pieces. Oops, this document wasn't correct. This wasn't correct. You had to pay somebody off. They do that all the time. If somebody tried to sue me for something and I could pay them off so you don't have all of that in the public's eye, this stuff happens all the time, right? So I always love the whole convicted felon my ass. Give me a break. Calm down with that. Welcome back to Law and Order, baby. I can't wait. You know what's cool, though? The one thing, good thing that's happening right now, have you guys noticed? Have you guys noticed all the conflicts are starting to calm down? You notice everybody's backing the F away from the United States again? Is anybody else noticing this? Now listen, I don't care what side of the fence you're on, right? Whether you have so much hate for one person or what, but is anybody else noticing this? I know you do. It's amazing, right? Yeah, countries they know what's up, right? They know where their bread's buttered. They know what's up. We get a man in there who'll be like, hey, you keep doing that stuff, right? We're not dealing with that. He's already made sure, right? He's talking about if you don't let our people go, they'll be hell to pay. I can't wait for that. I can't wait for that. Yeah, baby. Yes. Bring our people home. They've been over there, what, 400 days? 400 days, by the way. Crazy. I don't even know. And by the way, can we get some support? Can we get some more help to our own states that have, right, been annihilated by all of the natural disasters instead of sending all of our money overseas? You guys do know that we have homeless people here now, right? Does anybody know that? Like, give me a break. Can we funnel some of that money like back to our own people? That'd be great. Thank you. So yeah, no, I don't mind having the convicted felon in here if we're going to treat the American people right. Put America first. Yeah, I saw that. That's just crazy. Yeah, I know. We saw that, right? The illegal aliens doing all sorts of stuff. Yes, we saw it. We know. It's happened 3 times this week. We know. Trust me, we know. That's why we're trying to make sure we have some sort of proper immigration, right? We know. For crying out loud. This is nuts. Yes, we want everybody here legally. That would be great. We have no problem with people coming over legally, vetting, coming through the process, making sure you're not a criminal. That is why the laws are in place the way they are. If you can't see that, guys, you got to take them blinders off. I don't care what side of the fence you're on. Don't be so naive about it. Take the blinders off. You can't have that much hatred. Come on. Let's go. Thank you, Love ADT. I appreciate you. What's up, G Trader? Good to have you here. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate everybody being here. It's 2:40 leading into this new year. Were we able to get Boss of the South in by chance? Is he in here? Did he make it in? I hope so. Let me see. Another free member just came in. E. Glenny, good to have you here. Eagle, New York, my bad. E. Glenny. I'm always trying to see if it's a name or not. What's up, Eagle? Good to have you here. I'm stuck. I'm trying. Moderators, can you see that over there where are you stuck, boss? Is it an email? Does it take you to a website? Is it making you click on something? What's it doing, partner? Sorry, coach. Can't trust the guy pimping $70 Bibles. Hey, I'd rather he was pimping $70 Bibles, right, than taking away Christianity. Think of it that way. Am I right? So, You can pimp as many $70 Bibles as you want, as long as we can keep religion alive. Any religion you would like, America. So pimp as many Bibles as you want. Yeah. You're stuck. Boss, you got to help me out. I'm trying to help you out. When I went through the website. What's up, PVC? Good to have you. If I have VIP and VIP Gold and working on basics, should I get annual crypto or wait? It's really up to you, Bart. I'll be honest with you. It's completely up to you. If you plan on doing crypto, do it only because of the price. If you still just want to train and like then just stick with the VIP and VIP Gold. But if you do plan on at some point, just only because of the price, right? But all the training you're going to get out of the VIP and the VIP Gold, you will be able to use for crypto. Okay, but I don't want you having to worry about all of it. It's just a price thing. If you want to lock in a price, do it. But otherwise, you're getting the best training you can get, Bart. Okay. All right, stop. Carmudge and Deon. He said, oh, stop. No one trued taking Christianity away. Okay, no worries. Hey, we said Merry Christmas, though, this year, right? Not Happy Holidays. Come on. You're smarter than that. Come on. Come on. You'll be all right. Bart, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Merry Christmas. Yeah. As soon as you can't say Merry Christmas, we got a problem. Serious problem. Whether you believe in Christianity or not, America, right, was founded on Christianity. Thank you for being here, though. There's always one. You're all right. Right? I don't mind the conversation, but please take the blinders off and stop coming at me with the one-liners that they just make no sense. It just literally makes no sense. It's like watching a cheesy TikTok where they're crying about stuff. It just stop. Couple things I believe in, right? I'll leave you with this. Couple things I believe in. I don't want men in my women's locker rooms or bathroom. I don't think grown men should be able to shower with children and or women just because they say they're a girl. I don't care what sex you want to be. None of that matters. I don't think men should be able to play in women's sports. Period, point blank. Don't care what you think. You're a man or a woman and you can't play if you have, right, the DNA of a man, you should not be playing in women's sports. Okay? I don't think you should be allowed to mutilate children. They can't even make up their own mind. You should not be able to make it up for them and mutilate their bodies. There are some very basic things that will change now since the convict will be in office. Okay? I think the parents should be able to have direct control over what their kids read in school. Kindergartners and third graders shouldn't be reading about sex acts. They should be learning education. So I don't want to hear anymore about a convict being in office. We're sick of that. That's why the entire country voted him in. You're welcome. Make sure you guys go out and hug a Republican today. We just saved all the women and children. Go hug one. Go thank them for their service. Because we were canceled for so long trying to protect people. Am I right? Yep. It was rough. So go do the things. Click the things and do the stuff. Now, some of you will not agree with me, and that's okay. That's the beauty. It's called freedom of speech. You should be able to have that, right? You guys should be able to say what you want without Facebook and Instagram canceling you and silencing you, right? So yeah, I want the convict in. Thank you, Elon Musk, for buying Twitter, which turned into X, which allowed free speech, which allowed us to get out of the craziness. Thank you. So yes, you can You can peddle your $70 Bibles all you want as long as you protect the women and children, the military, the police force, and everybody that lives here. Law and order. Sell the Bibles. Sell the watches, sell the Bibles. Can I get an amen? It's hilarious. Yeah, how many times you guys try to cancel me over that stuff? I love it. Don't care. You're not going to silence us all, right? Yeah, you didn't vote from the first time you did the second. Yeah, I don't. Hey, listen, I have seen a lot of that's happened a lot, right? Coach, nobody can teach like you do. You're funny. Yeah, you might not agree with me, but oh well, it's okay. You know what? You get your platform, you can talk all you want. Get on your platform, you can say anything you want, right? Yeah, nobody's buying you to. Yeah, nobody's forcing you to buy the $70 Bible. It's funny though. You guys will say anything to make anything look bad, right? Again, protect the women and children, and we'll start from there. If you can't start from there, I don't even want to hear your face. I don't even want to hear from you. If you can't protect the women and children, I don't even care what you're about. I don't want to hear your face. Don't care. What, you don't like the women or the children? Get out of the office then. It brings me to my Discord, but you guys aren't there. Email us, support@americandreamtrading.com. We'll help you out. Coach is a good trainer, period. Thank you. Yeah, it should have. Yeah, you should have been able to click. Yeah, put in your Discord name, which should associate it to your email. Yep. Click claim. Yep. Time is it? It's almost 3:00. How long have I been live? Does anybody know? It's been a while, hasn't it? We've been up here a long time. Mark says, so essentially you're not insane. Got it. Yes, thank you. Yeah. You guys know me. I'm trying to look out for what I think is right. And you guys can have a difference of opinion. That's all right. This can't be canceled or none of this weirdness. You should have a voice. For sure. Oh, there it is. Yes, one of our members just said 2025 is the year I make my first million trading futures. I'll post screenshots when it happens. Hope it's a great trading year for everyone. Positive thoughts and equal positive results. It's very important to practice daily positive affirmations. Absolutely. Thank you for that. That's awesome. Appreciate that. It's over in our stock lounge. You guys have been over there. Make sure you guys say Happy New Year, or at least let us know you're live over there in the stock lounge. Somebody say hello. Appreciate it. Thank you for that follow. I appreciate all those follows. Thank you. Listen, I know you guys could have did all sorts of other things today than listen to me ramble on and on and on. I appreciate all of you guys that have taken the time to hang out. You guys that took advantage of the super sale. I think we sold like 10 of them, maybe more. I'll check. Just remember, it is limited for the first 100 people, and please don't be mad when that's gone. It's just seriously so we get a lot of bodies in there. You guys can start having fun, and then I can charge what I'm supposed to charge because that's what the price is. You're out of here, Steve. I'll see you later, man. See you in the morning. Absolutely. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, all of you being here. I'm going to take off too. Love your faces. Listen, we're going to have an amazing 2025. I told you guys yesterday, and I'm going to tell you guys again. Don't let anybody shut you down. Nobody's canceling anybody here, right? We're done with that. You get to stand up for yourselves now. No more. Don't worry about what anybody thinks. You handle your business. You take care of yourself and then take care of your family and the community around you. Everybody, we're going to have a blessed 2025. It's going to be amazing. I'm excited for all of you. I can't wait to see what you are all going to do with the successes. Now, listen, there's going to be struggles, There's going to be highs. There's going to be lows. You guys, you just got to keep fighting, man. All right. Same's going to happen over here, right? We go through the ups and downs of running a business and back ends change. And, we had to let go of certain people and marketing and weird stuff and things happen. Stay true to yourself. Keep up the good work. And thank you guys for tuning in every single day. Don't forget, again, we're here live 3 times a day. Hopefully it'll be 4 soon with crypto. That's what we're hoping on. Could you imagine us being live 4 times a day? Huh? You guys, we're going to be American Dream Trading coming out your ear holes and be like, what is going on? We got the podcast coming up. We got American Dream Trading Universities coming up. We got crypto that just launched. Man, we got all sorts of stuff. I want to do my docuseries. By the way, I'm going to be doing a lot more long form YouTube content. Make sure you check out the latest YouTube video that I published today at 11 o'clock. That one's a banger. We're going to do a lot of stuff, right? American Dream Trading is going to change a lot of lives here in 2025. So I'm excited for all of you to be here. Thank you guys for blessing me and my family and allowing us to do what I'm doing every day. Love your faces. I appreciate you. Listen, I even appreciate, right, the haters that are out here that constantly want to do the things. Listen, man, I hope you guys also have a blessed 2025, and maybe that'll take some of that blackness out of your hearts, right? Let's all have an amazing year. Let's all bring each other up. Let's build each other up. Let's have an amazing time. I'm out of here. Thank you guys for allowing me to come in here and have a little bit of fun today. I'm proud of all of you guys for hanging in there, doing the work through the ups and downs. We'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. It's that high budget. See ya. See ya.